channel. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So first I'm gonna say what's really obvious, and it's my hair. So basically it's not really like a permanent purple. Basically I was trying to do like a treatment to get my hair a little more platinum, and I left it for too long, so it kind of stained purple. That's why my hands are purple as well. But you know, every time that I'm gonna wash it, it's gonna come off, so no worries. I'm gonna go back to a blonde, but for now I think it's perfect for today's video because, as you guys can tell from the title, I'm gonna be doing the Colourpop and Lizzie McGuire collab, and I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how excited I was when I saw the sneak peek. Lizzie McGuire is literally my childhood, you know. I was born in the 99, so I was basically like a 2000s kid, and yeah, she's one of my childhood favorite TV shows, so of course I had to get on the Colourpop page and get myself the full collection, and that's what I got. I got the whole collection, and so I got it today. Actually, I got it today and I couldn't wait any longer, so yeah, I'm making this video. And yeah guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. So when I open it, I thought I was gonna get like the actual like Lizzie McGuire box, but I guess that's just for the PR people, which I'm a little sad. I wish they had given us the box as well, but you know. Okay, so I open it and this is what I see. So it does come with its own like bubble paper thing to protect everything, which is amazing. So the first thing that I see are the blushes. So I'm gonna take out both blushes. I'm gonna set the box aside and we're gonna look a little closer to the blushes. So I'm gonna take them out of the baggies. Okay, so this is how they look. Oh, they're so cute, you guys. I don't know, they bring me so much memories from my childhood. Like seriously, I love the little outlines that it has of Lizzie, as well as like a denim print. I don't know if you guys can tell, but oh my god, the packaging is so beautiful, and I think I'm gonna keep it forever and ever. I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm such a sucker for packaging, and this packaging, you know, I just have to keep it. Okay, so we have You Are Magnifico and Dee-lish, and these are pressed powder blushes. So they both have the same design, as the box is just a little like zoomed in, and oh my god, they're so pretty. So I used a mixture of both for my blush. So yeah, they also have the little flower in the back that says the name. So I'm gonna open them. So we have Dee-lish, which is a little lighter pink shade, and we have You Are Magnifico, which is a little more like reddish, like a more hot pink, and they are both shimmery blushes. So if that's not something that you're into, if you're not into like shimmery blushes, you're not gonna like them because they do have shimmer. So I'm gonna swatch them for you guys. So first I'm gonna swatch Dee-lish. So doing a little swatch, and then I don't know how. So this is how Dee-lish looks. So it's a little lighter pink, like I said. And now I'm gonna swatch You Are Magnifico. Okay, so here you guys can see the differences. So this is Dee-lish and this is You Are Magnifico. Okay, so as you guys can see, they are both shimmery blushes. So next thing that I see is the glosses, which I also used. So we have the So Juicy Plumping Gloss Duo. Something that I gotta say is that I do feel the plumping sensation, like the tingly sensation, but I mean, I don't think they made my lips big. It's just like a minty sensation, which I really like. Honestly, I don't know why, but I really like when my lips feel like minty. Okay, so first we have Dear Diary, and we have Lizzie and Miranda. And then we have the Seriously Cool, and we have Ethan Craft and Gordo. And the other shade, I don't know if I should say like in Spanish, but it's Gordo or Gordo, however you want to say it, but I'm just gonna say Gordo. Okay, so for the Dear Diary duo, it's like a hot pink and a clear gloss. And for the Seriously Cool, it's like a purple and a red gloss. So these are the glosses in the collection. Next, we're moving on to the glittery Obsess pots, and it also comes with a lip scrub. Okay, so we have the glittery Obsess glitter gel pot, and this one is Get a Grip, and I believe this is the hot pink one. Yes, so it's like a super beautiful Barbie pink glitter. I'm obsessed. I didn't use it for today's makeup just because I didn't know how to incorporate it to my makeup. So yeah, but this is how it looks. It's so beautiful. Like, oh my god, oh my god. I thought it smelled like watermelon, but no, it smells like glue. And then the other one is Sing to Me Paulo, and this one is more of a clear one, or like a white one, which this one I did use a little bit on my inner corner. But yeah, this is how it looks. It looks so pretty. The packaging is so pretty. It reminds me of like Barbies, like, oh my god. So this is how it looks. You guys just ignore my purple hands, please. It bothers me because I've been like with purple hands for 2 days and I can't take it off. And then for the lip scrub, this one is in Bubblegum Pop, and oh my god, it smells exactly like bubblegum. Okay, so the cap, it has Lizzie, and then what I find really interesting is the packaging. It kind of reminds me of that Laneige like lip mask thing. I don't know, but that's what it kind of reminds me of. But I don't know, I really like the packaging. So oh my god, it smells so good. It smells exactly like bubblegum. And lastly, the most exciting thing is the palette, of course. Okay, so this is the Lizzie McGuire What Drinks Are Made Of palette, and oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love it. So we open it. I just love the whole like aesthetic of this collection. So this is how it looks. It has the same print. You have the names in the back. The mirror is so pretty. You can see like a little Lizzie over here, some flowers, and this is the palette. I don't know why, but I really love like this green, like neon yellow green with purple. Like that's just, I love those, like that combination. It's so pretty to me. We have Bye Bye, which is this one. We have Police. We have Done and Done. We have Outfit Remember, Dear Diary, Cutie, Ugh, Hello Fabulous, Don't Freak, So Mature, Outfit Repeater, and Digital Bean. So those are the shades. And yeah, I don't know, I just really love the aesthetic, the colors, and the packaging. Like I feel like Colourpop always does the best with the packaging. So that's pretty much the whole collection. So now that I've done my makeup, that I've tried everything, I mean, I'm gonna say it's amazing. Of course, it's Colourpop. If you haven't tried Colourpop, what are you doing? You have to. Like, it's the best affordable makeup brand. It's so beautiful, so pigmented, and the packaging is amazing. I really like the glosses. You guys know that I'm a gloss girl, so you know the glosses are amazing. I love the minty sensation. The glittery gels, those are the first time that I ever tried their glittery gels, and so far I really like them. And the scrub, I still have to try it out. The palette, of course, the best. So pigmented, so easy to blend. The shades are amazing. The color palette is amazing as well. And so yeah, so now that we have that out of the way, that we talked about what I think and everything, I'm gonna let you guys watch the speed through voiceover type of video because that's what I like.
Everything that brought me alive. Though we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. It took my innocence without an alibi. Smoking gun, you got me on the wrong. We know that will come. We're all up till dawn, but how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a rebel's fight without an alibi. Took my hands without an alibi.
Okay, so that's everything that I have to show you guys. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I really love this collection. It brings me so much nostalgia and brings me like memories from my childhood. I love Lizzie McGuire, was one of my favorite TV shows growing up. Still is, honestly. I wish they had it on Netflix to like rewatch it. But I mean, it's just the packaging is so beautiful. I can't get over the packaging. But yeah, Colourpop did it again, an amazing collaboration. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.